I'm going to show you how you can generate attention-grabbing videos with just a few clicks. Introducing HookedAI, an easy-to-use platform built to produce scroll-stopping videos that can boost your engagement by up to 10x to 100x compared to regular content. Let me show you the powerful dashboard where you can generate your hooked videos like these here. Let's dive into the creative workspace by accessing the Hook Studio. Creating a new video is incredibly simple. Just click Create Hooked Video, and we're ready to start. I'm naming this Hooked Video Project 1 so we can easily track our progress. Notice how flexible HookedAI is. We can choose from vertical, horizontal, or square formats to match any platform's requirements. For this demo, we're selecting the realistic hook type, which creates authentic, engaging openings that capture viewer attention instantly. Here we can browse through our extensive library of professionally crafted video templates to find the style for our content. Let's filter by realistic to see templates featuring real people and authentic scenarios. We can also explore the AI Geners section to see our completely AI-generated template options that offer unique creative possibilities. For this demo, we'll stick with realistic templates and find something that matches our content theme. This dynamic jumping template will create an engaging hook for our video. We're in the editor where we can see our selected template on the left, and we're ready to add our custom content on the right. Let's upload our custom video by clicking on the upload area. Our video library opens up, and we can access all our previously uploaded content in the My Upload section. We'll select this video of a man in a field that will work live with our chosen template style. With one click, we add our selected video to the project. Excellent! Our custom video is now loaded and ready to be transformed with the AI-enhanced hook we selected. Now let's see how the system generates and presents your final video. Watch the magic happen. We click Generate Video, and HookedAI's AI engine instantly combines our hook with the custom content, processing everything in real time. Our video is ready in seconds, and it automatically starts playing so we can immediately see the results. Here's our final product. The AI-generated hook seamlessly flows into our custom video content. That's how you generate and review your final video. Now let's look at how to manage your completed project. Let's navigate back to see our completed video options. Our video is ready, and we can see all the available actions, or we can head back to our main project's dashboard to manage all our content. Here's our project library where we can easily access any of our created videos by simply clicking the thumbnail. This gives us a quick preview modal where we can review all the different versions that were generated. Now, if you don't have a video, don't worry, we have got you covered in that as well. In just a few clicks, you can generate a video of your choice. Click the Upload Video button to access the video creation tools. Head over to the Video Generator tab to access the AI features. Click on the Video Generation Type drop-down to see your AI options. Choose Apex, Text to Video. This powerful AI will create video content from your text description. Open the Transition In drop-down to add some visual flair to your video. Select Follow Through for a smooth, professional transition effect. Click the Aspect Ratio drop-down to verify your video dimensions. Open the Duration drop-down to set how long your video will be. Choose 10 seconds for a concise, engaging video length. In the Video Description field, type a detailed description of what you want the AI to create for your video scene. Click the Script Generator button to have AI create a script based on your description. The AI Script Generator pop-up appears and shows it's working on creating your script. Once the script is generated, scroll through to review what the AI has created for you. If you're happy with the script, click Use this script to apply it to your video. Finally, click Generate Video to let the AI create your custom video content. Your custom video has been generated by the AI. Let's go to next step, which is to add the AI-generated video to the editor. The newly generated video now appears in your video library. Click to select it from the library. Click the Add Selected Video button to bring it into your editor. Great! The custom video is now loaded in your editor. Let's preview it by clicking the play button. Let's go to the next step, which is to combine the hook and main video clips. Let's go to the next step, which is to review the final combined video. To review the final combined video, click the play button to see how everything looks together. Watch as the video begins with your selected hook template, the dramatic crane and car scene that captures viewer attention immediately. Let's explore one of HookedAI's most powerful features, the hook generator that creates engaging video openings automatically. Here we can see the variety of professionally designed hook styles available. each one optimized to capture viewer attention in those crucial first seconds. We can easily adjust our view to browse through more options at once. Let's select the unexpected humor hook style for creating memorable, shareable content. We see specific templates within this style. The pet photobomb template looks, so let's recreate it with our own content. The customization interface loads instantly, and we can personalize every aspect, starting with a descriptive project title. We can instantly switch between aspect ratios. Let's try 16:9 for landscape format. Actually, 9:16 works better for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram stories. Now we can adjust the duration to create a punchy 4-second hook that grabs attention immediately. Let's go back to our recent uploads and choose the persona for this hook. The interface gives us access to even more customization options as we scroll down. Here's where the real magic happens. Advanced customization unlocks professional-level control over our hook. We can fine-tune camera angles and motion to create exactly the visual impact we want. The platform shows us all available camera options, giving us complete creative control. Let's generate our custom hook and watch HookedAI bring our vision to life. The AI is processing all our customizations and creating a unique, engaging hook animation. And there it is, our completely customized pet photobomb hook video, ready to captivate audiences and drive engagement. The My Hooks section gives us complete control over all our AI-generated content in one organized location. Let's explore one of HookedAI's most powerful features, the Imagine Studio for creating custom AI personas. The AI Persona Builder opens up, and we'll start with the single model scene mode to create our first character. We can choose from various dynamic poses. Let's select the pointing finger pose for maximum engagement. Next, we'll customize the persona style to match our brand lie. Here's where the magic happens. We can precisely define our persona by setting gender to male, region to American, and age to mature for that professional, trustworthy look. Comes the exciting part. Let's generate our custom AI persona image with just one click. Watch as HookedAI's AI engine creates a completely unique, professional persona tailored to our exact specifications. Excellent. Our custom AI persona is generated and automatically saved, ready to use across all our video projects. Let's explore the multi-character mode to create images with multiple people. We can see the available character poses and close this for now. First, let's upload reference images for our personas by clicking the upload icon. We can easily select multiple images from our recent uploads. Great, our reference images are now ready. Let's go back to multi-character mode and select the high five pose for a dynamic interaction. Let's generate our multi-character persona image. Watch as the AI creates a professional image with two people performing a high five for team or partnership content. Let's upload a product image, in this case, a bottle for demonstration. We type a custom prompt, a man showing the product to the screen at the barbershop for a specific business scenario. Let's generate this specialized product showcase image. The AI has created a contextual image of a man presenting a product in a barbershop setting. To connect a Meta account, click on Social Media Manager from the left navigation menu. Once the Go Social page loads, hit the Connect Meta Account button in the top right corner. Your connected Instagram and Facebook accounts now appear, giving you access to all social media management features. Click the Post Now button on the video you'd like to publish. In the posting modal that opens, select your Facebook page. In this case, we'll choose the Superclips AI page. Notice how the AI automatically generates a caption for your post. If you want a different version, click the Regenerate Caption button. Enable the Schedule for Later checkbox to set a specific posting time. Review the time zone drop-down to ensure it matches your target audience's location. Open the date picker and select your desired posting date. Here we're choosing the 18th. Set the hour by selecting 2 from the hour drop-down. Choose the minutes. We'll select 45 from the minute drop-down. Complete the time by selecting PM from the AM/PM drop-down. Click the Schedule Post button to confirm your posting schedule, and you'll see a success notification. Check your scheduled posts by clicking the Scheduled tab, which now shows your upcoming post. Now we'll set up chat automation to help you automatically respond to messages based on specific keywords. Click the new automation button to start creating your rule. In the automation name field, type a descriptive name for your automation rule. Select your preferred platform from the drop-down. You can choose Instagram, Facebook, or both. Browse through your posts and select the specific post or reel where you want this automation to trigger. In the Trigger Keywords field, type the keyword that will activate your automation and press Enter. From the Matching Options dropdown, select Exact Match Only to ensure the automation only triggers for precise keyword matches. Craft your automated DM response in the message field. This is what users will receive when they comment with your trigger keyword. Add compelling text for your link button that encourages users to take action. Enter your website URL in the link URL field to direct users where you want them to go. Toggle on public comment reply if you want the bot to also respond publicly to comments, not just in DMs. Finalize your automation by clicking the Create Rule button. Let's go to the next step, which is to edit the rule to add an interactive DM follow-up. To edit the rule to add an interactive DM follow-up, click the Edit icon next to your newly created automation rule. In the Edit Automation modal, scroll down to find the Interactive DM follow-up section and toggle it on to enable automated follow-up messages. Check the Send follow-up after drop-down. We'll keep it set to 1 minute for this example. In the Interactive Conversation Flow section, type your first question that will be sent to users who trigger this automation. Click Add option to create response choices for your users. Enter the option label that users will see as a clickable response. Type the response message that will be sent when users select this option. Add link text that will appear as clickable text in your response message. Enter the URL where you want to direct users when they click the link. Your automation rule is now updated with interactive DM capabilities and will appear on the main automation page. Hit the Create button to generate your custom music tracks. The AI will generate 2 instrumental tracks based on your preset selection. Click the play button on the first track to preview how it sounds. Let's go to the next step, which is to view your generated videos and return to the dashboard. To view your generated videos, click on Generated Videos from the left side menu. Browse through your collection of AI-generated videos to see all the content you've created. And that's how you check your videos and get back to the main screen. You now know how to use all the key features in the app. Hope this helps you get started.